Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to connect the Etsy store to Printify. Make sure to watch the entire video to understand the complete process. So let's get started. First, to integrate your Etsy store with Printify, you'll need to create an Etsy seller account. If you already have an account, then go to the site and log in to your account. Next, visit Printify using the link in the description box and create an account. Click on Start for free to sign up. Now you can either use your Google account or fill out the form manually. After you have entered your credentials, you will be asked some questions. Fill them out, and your account will be created. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Now, click on My New Store on the top left side and then go to Manage My Store. It will prompt you to connect a store. Select Connect. As you can see, there are many apps and websites you can connect to, but for now, we'll only focus on Etsy. Click on the Etsy icon. You'll then be asked to grant access to Etsy so that Printify can connect to your Etsy shop. Click Grant Access, and that's it. Your Etsy store is now connected to Printify. Remember to check out the link to Printify in the description below so you can easily sync Printify products to your Etsy store. Thanks for watching.